Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Tonight I want to share with you a quick, easy enchilada recipe that my family loves. It's just 5 ingredients. 1 bag of beef and bean chimichangas, 28 ounces of enchilada sauce, 2 cups of fiesta cheese, shredded, half a cup of black olives sliced, and 1/4 cup of chopped onions. First, preheat your oven to 350. Then place your chimichangas into your 13 by 9 casserole dish. Take out the cardboard. And then you want to place these folded side up. Next, I'm going to add our enchilada sauce. And it's a 28-ounce can of enchilada sauce. Some of them didn't get completely covered, and this is when I'm going to flip them over. So the folded side will now be placed touching the pan. So this way all your enchiladas get covered completely. I'm going to add our 2 cups of fiesta cheese, completely covering the entire enchilada pan. Next, I want to add the 1/4 cup of onions just sprinkled on top. And this way the oven will be able to cook these so they'll be nice, soft, and golden when this recipe is completed. Now our black olives, we love black olives, so that's why I have a 1/2 cup of black olives. If you don't like olives or onions, you can leave these out, but it kind of spices up the dish a little bit. Now I'm going to place this in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. Okay, that's it. I'm going to take this out of the oven and let it cool for 5 minutes. It's just that easy. I hope your family enjoys this recipe as much as mine. Please like and subscribe and comment below if you'd like to see me cook anything.